Hello girls, in our second unit measurements we are going to learn more about circle. First we'll recall the known facts about circle. What is a circle? A circle is a curve or an arc which is drawn with a fixed center and a moving point. Okay, so the distance between the center and to any point on the perimeter is equal. Okay. So this is the radius of the circle and this is the diameter. This is the center center O. We draw the circle with center O and with R radius. Okay, and this is the diameter of the circle. Diameter is 2 times radius. So diameter D is equal to 2R. So this path of a moving point is known as the circumference of the circle. In other shapes such as square, rectangle, rhombus, triangle, in all that cases we used to call it as perimeter. சுற்றி உள்ள அளவு அதுதான் perimeter, சுற்றளவு. But in circle we call the perimeter as circumference. Now we are going to learn about circumference. How to find the circumference. So to calculate the circumference we need only one measurement, that is radius. With the radius we can calculate the circumference. If the diameter is given, with that you have to find the radius. What is the radius if the diameter is given? We know D is equal to 2R. Diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So what if the measurement of radius? So R is equal to D by 2. That is diameter by 2. Okay, R is radius and D is diameter. So if I have to find R, you have to cross multiply this 2 to the opposite side. Or D is equal to 2R. If I divide both sides by 2, here 2 and 2 get cancelled. So R is equal to D by 2. The same formula. So to calculate radius from diameter, you have to divide the diameter by 2. Half. Diameter half the radius. Okay. So now we have to come to the formula of circumference of the circle. So the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. Pi is an arbitrary value. Okay, it is the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. In decimal places, in decimal number, we can write it as 3.14. You will get it. If you divide 22 by 7, you will get the same. Shall we do it? So 22, if I divide it by 7, 3 times, right? 3 7s are 21. Remaining 1. If I keep a point here and 0, 1 7 is 7. Remaining 3. I'll add on 0 again. 4 7s are 28. Remaining 2. It will go on like this. Look at the quotient. It is 3.14. So if you divide 22 by 7, you will get 3.14. So this is the value of pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. You can use any values. Okay. So but what is pi in the circle? What is pi? It is the pi is the ratio between the circumference and the radius. The pi, not radius, diameter. The pi is, the value pi is, for any circles, pi value is 3.14. It is remains the same. Okay, what is pi? Pi is the ratio between the circumference of the circle and diameter. Okay, if you divide the circumference by diameter, you will get pi. So pi is equal to circumference by diameter. So if you divide this 2, you will get the value of 5. You can draw the circle with any radius. It may be small or it may be big. You can draw the circle with any radius, but the pi value remains same in all the circle. That means the ratio between the circumference and the diameter is always 3.14. With so many decimal places are there, but we are sorting it into 2 decimal places. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the circumference of the circle if the radius is 21 centimeter. Okay, so what is the formula? Here the radius is given. What is the formula for circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. So 2, we know the value of pi, and it is 22 by 7, and r is 21 centimeter. Okay, so shall we simplify it? We can cancel any number, you can cancel with the numerator and denominator. Okay, பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறத cancel பண்ணக்கூடாது. For example, 2 and 22 you should not cancel. Okay, but 7 and 21 you can cancel. So 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So now you have to multiply 2 into 22 into 3. Shall we? So 2 into 22, 2 22s are 44, right? So 44 into 3. 4 3s are 12, remaining 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. So 132 centimeter. It is just units. So circumference of the circle C is equal to 132 centimeter if radius is 21 centimeter. Now we are going to calculate the circumference of the circle if diameter is equal to 60 centimeter. If the diameter is given, we have to find the radius, right? Because circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units. R only, R value you have to know. So with this diameter you have to find radius. How will you find radius? R is equal to d by 2, that is diameter divided by 2. Here d is 60, 60 divided by 2. So while simplifying, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6 and 0, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, so R is equal to 30 centimeters. Now we can find the circumference. Circumference C is equal to 2 pi r units. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 30 only, you have to use 30. Okay. Now look at this, we couldn't simplify 7 with 30 or either with 22. Okay. So we can multiply the numerator separately and then we can divide it with 7. So while multiplying the numerator, 2 into 22, it is 44. So 44 into 30. You can multiply it with 3 and then you can add some 0. Add 1 0 at the end. So 4 3s are 12, 2, remaining 1. Again 4 3s are 12 plus 1. So 1320 you get while multiplying 44 and 30. So 1320 divided by 7. You should not ignore that. So shall we divide now? 1320 divided by 7. So 2 times you cannot do it. So 1 time. 1 7 is 7. While subtracting 7 from 13 you get 6. 2. So how many times it is there? 7 7s are 49, 8 7s are 56 and the remaining is 6 again, 0, 8 7s are 56, okay. So remaining 4. It will move on like this. You can write it has a quotient mixed fraction. So 188 is quotient 4 divided by 7, or shall we write it with decimals? We'll try it too. So 40 now remaining 4. Here I can add one 0 and keep a point here. So 5 sevens are 35 divided by while subtracting you get 5, again 0 means 7 sevens are 49, remaining 1. It will go on like this. So but we will take the quotient, or it is 188.57 centimeters, and this is the circumference of the circle if the diameter is 60 centimeter. Let's read the problem 3.1. In exercise 2.1, the fifth one. The diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meters. Find the distance covered by it by 150 rotations. So, the diameter of a wheel is given. Diameter of a bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. So, with diameter you can find radius. Now, the question is find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. You know the rotations of wheel, right? So, what will you find? Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. How will you calculate it? எப்படி 150 ரொட்டேஷன்ஸில் அது போகுது, எவ்வளோ தூரம் கவர் பண்ணுது, டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கவர் பண்ணுது அப்படின்றத கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ வாட் டு யூ நீட் டு ஃபைண்ட் திஸ்? எஸ், யூ நீட் த சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த சர்க்கிள். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இட் இஸ் அ வீல். ஓகே, ஸோ இன் திஸ் I mark a point here. Okay, and this wheel start rotating according to this. So, okay, with this point, I start here. So, for one rotation, I want to know for one rotation how much distance it covered, this wheel covered. Okay, so I'll start with this, and then I am going to rotate the wheel. Okay, so here I am having a point, right? With this point I start here, and now with one full rotation, and it is here. It is almost 14 centimeters, that is 13.8 centimeter, and it is 13.8 centimeter. Okay, with this wheel, in one rotation it covered 13.8 centimeters. Okay, so what is this distance? What is this distance? While rotating, with one full rotation it covered some distance, and it is 13.8, and that is the circumference of the circle. Circumference கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோன்னு சொன்னால் ஒரு ரொட்டேஷனில் அந்த வீல் எவ்வளோ தூரம் போகுது அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் 13.8 centimeter ஃபார் திஸ் வீல். ஓகே, நவ் ஹியர் we are having the diameter. So, to calculate the distance covered by 150 rotations, you have to find the circumference. So, circumference கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோன்னா ஒரு ரொட்டேஷனில் அது எவ்வளோ மூவ் ஆகுதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். So, 150 rotations, we can multiply that value by 150, and it is an important problem. They will ask like this. Okay, so what is given? Dia. The diameter D is equal to 1.4 meter. So, you can find radius. What is the formula? D by 2. So, D is 1.4 divided by 2. Here it is a decimal value, right? So, 1 2 is 2, 0. In 1 we couldn't make it. So, 0.14 7 times. 7 2s are 14. Okay, so R is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Now, what we have to find? We have to calculate the circumference. What is the formula of To calculate circumference is equal to, circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. So 2 pi r units, circumference C. That is equal to 2 into pi is 22 by 7 and r is 0.7. Shall we cancel? 1 7 is 7. So 0.1 times. Now we have to multiply 2 into 22 into 0.1. While multiplying 2 and 22 you get 44. So 44 into 0.1. While multiplying 44 with 1 you get 44 only, but here before one decimal there is one digit before the point, after the point. Okay, so you have to keep the dot, you have to keep the point after one place. Okay, so it is 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so 0.1 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு டெசிமல் பிளேஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஹியர் ஆல்சோ யூ ஹாவ் டு கீப் த டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் பிஃபோர் த ஒன் டிஜிட். நவ் திஸ் இஸ் சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ் C is equal to 4.4 centimeter. And this is the distance covered in not centimeters, yes, meter, it is meter. Okay, so with this C is the distance covered in one rotation. This C is the distance covered in one rotation. Okay, now we have to find the distance covered in 150 rotations. So distance covered in 150 rotations, we have to multiply this value by 150. Okay, what do you get while multiplying 4.4 into 150? Into 150 here. Okay, so for 0 we'll keep it. While multiplying it with 0 you get 0 only, right? So 0 into 4 is 0, 0 into 4 is 0. Now while multiplying it with 5, 5 4s are 20, 0 remaining 2, 4 5s are 20, 22. Now you have to multiply it 1. 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4. Decimal multiplication we have learnt it. So 0, here as well 0, 6 and it is also 6. So before one decimal place you have to keep the point. So distance covered in 150 rotation is 660 meters. Okay, we can ignore. Only 0 is there after the decimal point, so we can ignore it. So the distance covered in 150 rotations is 660 meters. If C is equal to 264 centimeter, find R. That is, if the circumference of the circle is 264 centimeter, we have to find the radius. Sometimes they will ask like this. Okay, so you can, they will give any values. They may give C or D or R. Any values they may give. With one value you can find the other. Okay, now the circumference is given, we have to find radius. So what is the formula for circumference? Circumference C is equal to 2 pi r units. We have to find R. Okay, so given C is equal to 264 centimeter. So I write it as 2 pi r is equal to 264 centimeter. Why? Because C is the circumference and the formula for C is 2 pi r. The value of C is 264. So 2 pi r is equal to 264. Now we can substitute the value for pi. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 264. We have to find r. So r is equal to 264 and I am going to cross multiply these two values. So this 22 by this 2 will go to the opposite side denominator. this here it is multiplication, so it will be a division. So 2 will go as 1 by 2. 22 by 7 will go as 7 by 22. Okay, so 1 2 is 2. Here I am simplifying it. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 22, while simplifying this with 2 table, 11 2s are 22. Here in 13, 6 times, 6 2s are 12, remaining 1 12, so 6 2s are 12 again. 1 6 is 6, 6 times 11s, 1 11 is 11, 6 11s are 66. That is equal to 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is equal to 42 centimeter. So the radius is 42 centimeters.